When it comes to improving the energy efficiency of your home in Lafayette, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is replacing your windows. While it may seem like a big investment, window replacement can significantly reduce your utility bills, increase comfort, and even add value to your property. Whether you're dealing with drafty windows, outdated designs, or simply looking to lower your energy consumption, replacing your windows can offer a wide range of benefits. Let's explore how upgrading your windows can improve the energy efficiency of your Lafayette home. Improved insulation to keep your home comfortable year-round. In Lafayette, the climate can range from warm summers to chilly winters, and your windows play a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year. Older windows, particularly single-pane versions, may have poor insulation, allowing hot air in during the summer and cold air in during the winter. This can result in uncomfortable indoor temperatures and put extra strain on your HVAC system, leading to higher energy costs. Modern, energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced insulation technologies, such as double or triple pane glass filled with argon or krypton gas. These windows provide superior thermal insulation, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. As a result, your heating and cooling systems don't need to work as hard, which can lead to lower energy consumption and reduced utility bills. Lower energy bills by reducing heat transfer. One of the primary ways that windows affect your home's energy efficiency is through heat transfer. Windows that are not properly sealed or insulated can allow significant heat transfer, which forces your HVAC system to work overtime to compensate. When you replace your old windows with energy-efficient models, you can significantly reduce the amount of heat lost during winter and heat gained during summer. Energy-efficient windows are built with special coatings and multiple layers of glass that help reduce heat transfer. These windows are designed to reflect infrared light, keeping heat inside during the colder months and blocking it outside during the warmer months. This means that your home will stay at a more stable temperature without excessive reliance on your air conditioning or heating system, leading to a more energy-efficient home overall. Enhanced comfort and reduced drafts are one of the most common complaints homeowners have with older windows. Gaps and poor seals can allow cold air to enter your home during the winter or let cool air escape in the summer. These drafts can make it difficult to maintain a comfortable living environment, especially in rooms near windows or doorways. Replacing your windows can eliminate drafts by installing newer, more airtight models that are designed to keep the outdoor elements at bay. With better sealing, you'll enjoy a more consistent indoor temperature, regardless of what's happening outside. No more chilly breezes in the winter or sweltering heat in the summer. This boost in comfort is often one of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of window replacement. Increased property value. Energy-efficient windows are highly desirable to potential homebuyers. If you're considering selling your Lafayette home in the future, investing in window replacement can increase your home's market value. Buyers are often looking for homes with modern, energy-efficient features, and windows are no exception. Not only will your home look more appealing, but the promise of lower utility bills and greater comfort will make it more attractive to prospective buyers. In many cases, window replacement can offer a return on investment, with potential buyers willing to pay a premium for homes with energy-efficient features already in place. Environmental benefits. In addition to the financial benefits, replacing your windows can also have a positive environmental impact. By improving the energy efficiency of your home, you reduce your carbon footprint by decreasing the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home. This helps to lower the demand for fossil fuels and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a healthier planet. Choosing energy-efficient windows made from sustainable materials can further enhance your home's eco-friendliness. Many modern window manufacturers offer eco-conscious products that are built to last, reducing waste over time. Final thoughts. Window replacement is a smart investment for homeowners in Lafayette looking to boost their home's energy efficiency. With improved insulation, reduced energy consumption, enhanced comfort, and increased property value, new windows provide a range of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. Whether you're looking to save on energy costs, increase comfort, or make a positive environmental impact, upgrading your windows is an excellent place to start. If you're ready to make your home more energy efficient, consider speaking with a window replacement expert to explore your options and find the best solution for your needs.